The price of Moo Deng has obviously been up by about 55% in the last 24 hours. Now, obviously, the performance of Solana has been very stellar, and we're seeing the markets revive themselves. And obviously, to other people who've been watching our YouTube channel, we've obviously anticipated this move. I kid you not, just go back to my YouTube channel. You guys already know the real deal. So anyhow, a lot of you are probably wondering whether this is a very good meme coin to get in. So one of the things that I usually love letting people know, especially when making these decisions, first of all, is understanding where you are in terms of your financial trajectory as far as meme coins is concerned. These high cap meme coins, number one, have got a very good solid community, and they've got like a cult like following, and the most important thing is they have ultra high liquidity. So to all those of you who have like a lot of money, and you sort of want to get into coins that are not really going to have a lot of slippage, and for you to like easily scale in, such a very high market cap can be a very good investment to make. So if you've got, let's say for example, 100,000 US dollars, 250,000 US dollars, it's easy for you to scale in. Moreover, the people who are pumping this are using a lot of money. One of the reasons why such type of communities continue to thrive is due to the fact that they have already survived a bear market. So remember that the price of Moo Deng at one point was around 61 cents. Now it's down to around 13 cents. Okay, so if you take a look at the price trajectory, right, we obviously survived this crazy more than 50% price drop, and there is still interest in the market. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe Moo Deng can definitely do, conservatively speaking, a 3 to about 5x from here. Hell, we can even end up going back to the previous all-time high and surpass it as well. So 61 cents was the previous all-time high. How high is it going to be this time around? Nobody really knows. 129 million US dollars in terms of its fully diluted market cap valuation is pretty high for a meme coin. However, remember, there is quite a lot of exchanges that have got Moo Deng listed. It's on Coinbase Exchange, Get.io, KuCoin. So there's a lot of liquidity that can come through, because most of the times a lot of people are not really going to be trenching on Axiom Pro. So big shout out to all the people who've been trenching in the past few days. Big shout out to you. If you guys are not really trenching on a daily basis, if you haven't been using the information that I've been teaching you guys, you are definitely missing out. So remember, Dex Screener, top trending, obviously Moo Deng, Peanut, Titcoin House, and all these other legacy meme coins are starting to revive and just basically do very well. So there is obviously surety in investing in such high cap meme coins, because they have a very good solid community. So before you invest in them, right, you have to look at the other community. Take a look at the Telegram group, see how engaged the community is. So this one has got around 16,158. So just get into the Telegram and see how active the community is, and just basically look at the Twitter mentions. Take a look at what the team is posting in order for you to decide whether you're supposed to get in or not. But for people to sort of speculate, and for the price for a very high market cap meme coin to sort of push up by about 55%, it really means there's genuine interest. And this is obviously the first wave. So this is one of the reasons why it's important for you to have a very diversified portfolio where you have legacy meme coins. These are meme coins that obviously survived one cycle of a downtrend, okay, and they are sort of still having a very great community, and they also have like a high market cap, because these ones tend to usually sort of hold their value. And if you also take a look at the circulating supply, total supply, and also the maximum supply, right, everything is basically infused in the market. So you're not really going to have like any surprise token unlocks. There isn't going to be any other coins that are going to flood into the markets, therefore disrupting the supply and the demand. You understand? So it's a very safe bet in my opinion. And if I were you, I'll probably look for retracements. I'm not really going to dive deep into the technical analysis, but just let's take a look at the technical analysis and see what the chart is, telling us right now. So as it stands, let's go to bigger time frames. Let's go on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame has just been pushing up for the past 48 hours. So we are just starting our trajectory. So one of the areas of value, like for example here at 191 million market cap. So let me just switch to the, can we display it in terms of price? Yeah, let's have the price being displayed. So the next area of value, a bearish order block that we have right over here is based on this one. So I really believe that the price is obviously going to end up pushing all the way to this area of value, which is coinciding with around what's the price? It's around 20 cents. So let me just give it a try. Let me just give you that target zone right over there. So we could end up going to around 20 cents to about 30 cents before we sort of have a crazy retracement. So what you need to do is just go to the smaller time frames and find your entries on the 1 hour, because this bullishness is going to continue. So as you can see right over here, right, we're seeing some bullish continuation happening like after the 1 hour sort of got disrupted right over there. So in case the price goes to around 9 cents, between 9 cents to about 12 cents, that would be a perfect entry. In case the price doesn't retrace, even this level is a very good entry level, around 13 cents all the way up to around 9 cents. So when you get in, best believe your next target is going to be around this level that we are targeting here. So remember, I'm a swing trader. Yes, I know in the next 3 months it can do a 3x, and the price can even really push up or push all the way up. But remember, there's always going to be a retracement. So as much as I want to have like a long bullish mentality, I want to trade the fluctuations, because this is where I get to make money and profit. So in case the price retraces here, why not sell here and be able to buy back? And then if it continues, you already multiplied, or rather you increased your holdings right over here. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe playing the fluctuations overall is a good strategy, especially if you are pretty active. But if you've got a very busy schedule and you guys don't have time like I do, then just hold on for dear life. Just buy the bottom. Like right now, I really believe these are the early stages of the pump, and just hold it for a specific time frame. So yeah, that's all I had for you. Please let me know in the comment section below, do you own a little bit of Moo Deng? Do you think this cryptocurrency community is going to continue thriving this time around? Drop everything in the comment section below. And how many Moo Dengs do you hold, and when did you first stumble across Moo Deng? Were you able to trench it out? Were you able to discover it like below 500,000 US dollars? Please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you join my public Telegram group. There's a lot of useful information, money-making information. If you guys really want to make money each and every day, remember, use my Axiom Pro link. It's in the description. It's going to give you the fairest transaction fees, and you guys are definitely going to have a lot of good luck because you're using my referral link, and your memecoin trading journey is going to be very, very smooth and easy. So yeah, check out the Telegram group in the description box below, and make sure you unmute my Telegram group so that you can see each and every post that I do, or rather each and every post that I make. So I just gave you like a list of high liquid market caps that you can take a look at. These are legacy meme coins that are pretty safe to invest in. They're not going to rug, they're not going to go anywhere, because they have already built a solid community. So yeah, in order for you to check it out, join my Telegram group. It's free and it's public. Talk to you a little bit later. Bye.